Hey guys, are you ready to cook? Today we are going to make vegan miso risotto. If you were to ask someone what is Chef Jade's go-to dish when eating at an Italian restaurant, the answer definitely is risotto. Here is my spin on one of my favorite dishes. To cook this recipe, you will need a pan and a pressure cooker. Then you need to get 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, half large onion finely minced, 3 medium cloves garlic minced, 1 cup of risotto rice, such as arborio or violone nano, 3/4 of a cup of dry sake, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1/4 of a cup of white or yellow miso paste, 4 cups of homemade or store-bought low-sodium vegetable stock, half teaspoon of lemon juice, kosher salt, black pepper, and minced fresh chives for serving. Once you have all that, heat the vegetable oil, stirring and swirling the pan until it shimmers. Add shallot and garlic and cook, stirring, wait for 2 minutes, until translucent but not browned. Add the rice and cook, stirring, until the rice is evenly coated in oil and toasted but not browned for 4 minutes. Rice grains should start to look like tiny ice cubes, translucent around the edges and cloudy in the center. Then add the sake and cook, stirring, until the raw alcohol smell has cooked off and wine has almost fully evaporated, basically about 2 minutes. Later, add the soy sauce and miso paste while stirring. Add the stock and scrape any grains of rice or pieces of shallot or garlic from the sides of the pressure cooker so that they are fully submerged. As the rice cooks, add more stock and stir occasionally until the rice is almost cooked. Add lemon juice and stir to combine the rice and cooking liquid. It should begin to form a creamy consistency. Cook for a few minutes longer if the risotto is too soupy, stirring until it begins to thicken more. It should look like a smooth, creamy sauce. Season to taste with salt if necessary, add pepper and chives while stirring, and serve immediately. That's it. I hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts. If you want to see more, go visit cookingwithjade.com. Until next time.